Hi, it's Dominic from Paphos Live, and we've reached the sea front on our 360 tour along the Paphos Coast Path. And we're going to go up to the castle and a little point that looks back at the rest of the seafront at the end of this film. And after that we're going to go into uncharted 360 territories and film the walkway up to Lighthouse Beach, Venus Beach, Dimmer Beach, St George's Beach and finally Sandy Beach, at which point the park officially ends. You can actually go a little bit further than that. 17.5 degrees centigrade. Yeah, you can go a little bit further than that if you don't mind going a bit off piste. But for the purposes of this film, this series of films rather, we're sticking to the official route. We'll also be uploading it to Google Street View, so people will be able to get a nice view of the whole area. They've still got their closing down prices. There's Fish Boy on the left. The other day he was getting pounded by waves, but as you'd expect from Fish Boy, he survived. And the Christmas decoration just above us. They don't go to town on Christmas decorations at the seafront, but with the weather that hits them during winter, you can fully understand why. And if you look, you can see one of the decorations up here is already taking a bit of that. Yeah. I'm surprised that the little kids haven't taken the piss out of me. Shows how well behaved the kids are. Because I do look a bit of a sight. I look like the world. Oh, that's it. That's more like it. Yeah, I look like the world's worst protest. Single man with a long pole and a flag stick carrier with a tiny little camera on top of it. Fortunately, my skin's thick enough these days from doing so many films that I can just raise it out. I'm going to walk this way a little bit to get a bit of the tiny little beach on the camera. Check the battery level before I start. Oh, look at that. That's the main problem I have. Not being able to do it all in one hit. Well, two problems. First, if you did that, you then have an awfully long walk to come back. But secondly, the battery will just run out way beforehand. If you've got the battery of the 360 camera to think about, the battery of the phone, the battery of the microphone, and the battery of the other camera that's doing the audio recording. If you forget one of them, it screws up everything. Failure. We've known occasionally. So we're going along the seafront now. Just coming up to Captain's View. I wonder who the captain was. And there's Marie, Eliane. One of our famous webcam. Looked out across the harbour towards the castle. And there's the moorings. Pretty slowly but surely, all the signs that were removed a couple of years ago are coming back within the agreed specification. Not everyone yet, though. You'll probably buy a watch now. the vintage skeleton area. If you like the ice cream, annoying flying there. There's English Rose. It's getting a bit achy. I'm glad these things have stabilisation built in there. It'd be colossal pain otherwise. There's a bit of wind there. Feel it pulling at the camera. There's lots of kids about actually. Do a school trip down here or something. Because it's a Wednesday morning, I should say. So quiet. And so I think it's November 27th. Might be wrong. Yeah, because the opening of the turning on of the Christmas lights is next Wednesday, which is the 4th. 30 days of November, so it's the 27th. 28th.
Hello. This
Hello.
on YouTube.
Well, eventually.
Ah, really?
It's a 360 camera, so it'll be on Street View as well, but your face will be blurred.
Can you tell me the channel?
Paphos Live! It's amazing how brain dead you get when you're doing this. And things you forget this is the day of the winter. Isn't it? The keeps rotating as well, but I can fix that in post easily. And there's the main part of the seafront decorations, is that boat. I don't know what Henry is going to make of this camera though. And also I'll have to walk straight past him for this part. I think I'll come back and chat afterwards so he doesn't get totally insulted. Somewhere around here is my wife in a car. He said hopefully. That's how we're doing it this time. Because in the past, I do walk with the camera and then come back taking pictures. So there's only a certain amount of articles I can post on the post part before people say, come on. And it's quicker. I get more distance covered if I know I can just get picked up. Now anyone who says hello while I'm doing this, their face automatically gets blurred out by Google anyway when it gets uploaded to Street View. Yeah. There's Henry. And I wonder what I'm doing. I'll see you in a minute. It's continuous this one, for Street View, but I'll come back. Yeah, it's a 360 camera.
Hey, shut up. Okay.
that can buzz the camera around and I could pretend drive. That'll also be a nice little. What I'm going to do is a extra film once I'm up at the end here, just me playing around with the 360 up in the harbour. There's Nautico on the right. And in the original film, I walked up to the end past the castle, so I may as well do that now. Just for the sake of completeness. I can always start the next one after that at the castle if longer than I thought. Oh, the sun's gone in, that's quite handy actually, because I'm not keen on the notion of walking into the sun. It tends to scupper the footage a bit. Now, I appreciate that for a 360 film, it's a bit irrelevant because you can switch the camera anyway, so you're always going to have one part of it with the sun shining on you. But when I convert it to hyperlapse, you'll always have the frontal view. There's the castle. Now last time I seem to remember climbing up and walking along the wall. I don't know if that's even if that makes any sense to do that now. I can't see where it ends. Completely driving myself. That's one thing I've got to work out, how to stop doing that. It's a bit windy here now. Oh, why not for old time's sake? Provided they haven't made it really narrow. Yeah, I wanted to film with me falling off. Here we go. Yep. Might test my balance. In the next film I'll be coming back this week, so I'll be interested to see how the weather's changed. In the meantime, there's the fisherman. Got the steadiest of things to walk on this. So, hope you enjoyed this leg. I was trying to have a look to see if the camera was pointing in the right direction, but no, it wasn't. I just stopped in to have a look. There's another fisherman there now. I'm not jumping down there, so I'll stop here. Alright.